Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about top-down analysis. So let me start from the beginning. First, when I do the top-down analysis, I always start from the monthly, then weekly, then daily chart, etc, etc. So as you can see, we will start from the British pound dollar, and if we just look the monthly chart, you will see something very interesting. So from the July 2023 up now, we can see that the price is around the 50 level on the monthly relative strength index. That means that the price is in some kind of the range. Even on the daily chart, on the 4-hour, 1-hour, we see the spikes and everything. If we watch just on the monthly time frame, we can see that the market is really in tight range when I talk about monthly prices. This is very interesting because this means that right now maybe it's not smart to trade the long positions, multi-months or yearly positions, and that intraday trading can be very interesting in this case. Now we're going to the weekly chart. As we can see in the weekly chart, right now we can talk about bullish trend. We can define the bullish trend from the April 21 up to this day, and this is very interesting. However, if we just watch this relative strength index indicator, we can figure out that from the July 2023 we're some kind of a down move. I know this can be, if we watch the price, completely different, but it's important to figure out that right now we're on some kind of resistance, and there is a chance if we break this line here above 1.29 that we can see maybe new highs, and that new highs can bring to us much faster than used to be. So right now we need to understand that on the weekly basis we're in this channel from the July 2023. This is a yearly channel. As you can see, it was a huge down move, then up move, then down move, then up move, and now if we reach 1.28, it's a high probability just tomorrow after NFP that we are on a strong resistance, and we need to see what will happen. If we break this line, it can be really interesting, and it can be very strong push for British pound dollar. And after that we can go to the daily chart. In the daily chart, I will just delete these lines. We can see something very interesting about British pound dollar, and it's a up-down move that it just stopped beginning of this month. So because of that, we are right now in a new bullish trend, and we need to monitor and to see what will happen. So up down downtrend is stopped, and we are forming the new trend, but we don't know what will happen, how that will react. So right now we have some kind of a feeling of the market, and just now we can figure out where the market can go, and we see that we can expect a strong bullish push. So we need to be cautious here and watch 1.28 level very clear. That level, like I said, is very important right now, and I think that we can reach this level tomorrow after NFP, but I don't know what will happen after that. So it can be just a strong resistance. We have again a move down, but if we just break this level, everything is possible. So in this moment, I like I said, in top-down analysis, to watch the naked chart at few important levels, and of course I like to draw a trend lines on relative strength index. Like I said, the most important levels are this level 1.2615, and of course this level in the middle, it's a level 1.27. So these three levels are most important levels on daily chart, and I watch these levels very carefully. The idealistic scenario that can happen is that price just reach 128, but I would like to see a pullback then to reach 128. However, I think that we'll never see that pullback, because from now till the NFP tomorrow we don't have any news, and the market structure a little bit too slow for that. So I think that we will first reach 28 and then we will see what will happen. So this is the top-down analysis, in my opinion, for British pound dollar. Euro dollar is very similar. If you see everything that we can tell about British pound dollar, we can tell for euro dollar too. I think that the trend is really clear. We can see really up move right now, and the most important thing is that we are somewhere here. So the price of the 1.088 is crucial here, and we just need to monitor this price. This is the highest high for the May too, so this price is very important. The next thing that I want to watch is this level and this level too. This was the two reaction levels that we had. One is 1.06 and another is 1.066. So of course here in the other move, this level here is 1.0810 is important level too, and we are just on that important level right now. So right now we are watching all these levels based on the weekly chart. The same thing we can watch in daily chart, and as you can see, I think that after the NFP we can see the new high here, but after that I don't know what will happen. So I will just monitor that and be cleary, maybe to see some range, maybe to broke this line. Like I said, the plan is the same as for British pound dollar. Gold is typically right now, as you can see, strong bullish move. As you can see right now, we are some kind of the resistance here. We have very important levels, and I'm watching that levels. It's a little bit tricky because there is no fundamentals related to gold, except that we watch the US dollar fundamentals on one side and the whole worldwide inflation on the other side. So because the gold is usually used to hedge inflation, I watch all inflation report, and as you can see, whenever you see the higher inflation in India, China, America, everywhere, that impacts the gold price, and gold will go up and up. So from the fundamental standpoint of view, it's easy. However, for trading point of view, I need to watch this. I think that the price will reach this first level here at 2,364, and maybe we can see the next target after NFP report, but after that I don't know what will happen and how that NFP report will be, so I will be outside of the game. And for the end, if we talk about top-down analysis on a monthly level of British pound, Japanese yen, you can see something crazy. As you know, from the January 2024, every single month is bullish, strong bullish. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So right now, from the beginning of the year, it was 180, and right now is at 205. So it's incredible. It's incredible move, and we don't know what will happen here. I don't like to trade Japanese yen because Japanese government want to do some kind of intervention here. They want maybe to increase interest rate. The problem why this price is so bullish is because of this trade. US dollar is very strong at the 5.5 interest rate, and interest rate for the Japanese yen is around 0. So this movement is just because of the interest rate, and what will happen, I don't know. If the government decide to change and to increase the interest rate, I know it will be huge switch, maybe a few percents in one day, and because of that, for me it's very risky to trade Japanese yen. So I just watch what will happen. Sometimes I'm jealous because if I just purchase in January, here you will see I could make a huge profit, but I didn't. So I just watch, and I don't trade. However, I just watch on the this is the daily point of view. Every single day, for example, from the 7th June till now was bullish. It's a really uncommon. It's so crazy. Even today we see this bearish candle, but easily can be bullish too. So maybe bearish because today is July 4th and it's a holiday in US, and maybe just the market will be steady. But tomorrow we will see, maybe because of NFP, Japanese yen just make some small push down. But like I said, I don't know what will happen here. It's very important to monitor US dollar and Japanese yen interest rate and the whole that story, because that can impact on the price of the British pound, Japanese yen. And every single thing that hurt the US dollar hurt another currency pairs, in my opinion. Either you trade Aussie CAD, for example, you will see that the US news impact some kind of the price. So be caution all the time, because NFP report is a really crazy report. We cannot predict what will happen, and I always like to watch and wait to finish everything. So this is it. This was my small top-down analysis. I like to watch news. I like to watch interesting news for that week, and to do this top-down analysis, and to go from the weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour chart, and then based on that to make decisions in trading. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye-bye.